Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 6 English textbook. We are going to start our lesson from unit 4, 8th October 2005. SLOs of this lesson are: identify and pronounce in minimal pairs common problem consonant including V, W, Ya, T, I, R, etc. Now look here, page number 44, minimal pairs. What are these? We have discussed it in your previous class too. A minimal pair is a pair of words differing only by one sound in the same position in each word. Like pen, ben. You can see the difference of two sounds. P, a P. Ben, pen. The rest of the sounds are the same. Ending with the N sound and the vowel sound I here. Bat and bed. Only the difference of two letters here. T, a D. P, a B. So, these are the minimal pair. These types of words are called minimal pair, only differing by one sound, but in the same position in each word. Yes, the spelling might different, the meaning of the word might different, but the sound only differing by one sound. Look here, comparison of S, Z and F to the T and words for minimum pairs, contrast. If you see here, the words which starting here, you can see the letter S underlined, and in these the TH, two letters are underlined. Sink, sink, sick, pass, mace. Now look here, sink and think, ending with the same sound. Ink, ink. But from start, they're different. Sink and think. So, two sounds we have, two different words. But in the end, both the words here ending with the same sound. Look at here. Sing, think, ink, ink. The same sound. Only the difference of s or th here. Sick, thick. Ik, ik, pass, pa, miss, met. You can see the difference. The underlined, the pink underlined, the bold letters here, the s or th only have difference. Rest of the sounds, rest of the letter sounds are the same. May, mes, pa, pa, ik, ek, ink, 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 ink. Now look here, Z versus Th. Whiz, with, breathe, breeze. The same difference we have, only the difference of Z or Th here, the rest of the sound are same. We, but ending with the Z or Th. Breathe and breeze, the sound of Th and Z. Free, three, fin, thin, fresh, thresh, frill, thrill, thought, thought here. You can see the difference here. The sounds are the same, the rest of the sounds are same, but the underline, the pink bold here, are different, having different sounds. For a th, you can see the re, n, rush, rush, thrill, thrill, thought, out. Out. But thought and thought. The difference of for a th sound. Rest of the sounds are the same. Now look here, I and R consonant sound in minimum pairs. Alive, arrive. Here, alive, the sound of L here. And arrive, the sound of R here. Fly, fry, light, right, land, ran, lace, race. Only two letters different sound here. Rest of the sounds are same. V and W consonant sounds here. West, west, viper, viper, fowl, fowl, fail, fail, wait, wait, went, went. The same sound, but the letters are different. Sounds are the same, no difference in the sound. But the spelling are different here. This is also called homophones. Homo means similar and the phones mean related to the sound, to listening, related to the sound of the words, of the letters. Homophones, the words which have the same sound but different spellings and different meaning, but the same sound. West, west, wiper, wiper, wow, wow. In some exceptional cases, we can have the different sounds too. Like here, the wow and the wow. But most of the words have the same sounds. Now look here on page number 45. Choose the correct words to build minimal pairs of I and R for the following. What is the minimal pair of load? Which word sounds the same? Only have the difference of one letter sound here. Pray, road, lorry, brush. Yes, it's very obvious. Road here. You have to identify the difference of L and R here. So L we have already here and R we have, and the rest of the sound are the same. Out, out. Only the load and road difference. Second one, what is the minimal pair of glass here? Grass, grab, rock, miss. Yes, the grass. Glass and grass. Third one, what is the minimal pair of lead? Road, pray, read, rock. Yes, read. I want you to choose the correct option for these sentences by yourself. This is your homework from Summer Pack on page number 24. This is also your homework from Summer Pack, page number 25. We also have an activity here of minimal pairs. I hope you will enjoy and do your homework. Thank you.